Hello guys and welcome to best memes I found on TikTok. I upload every Wednesday, Friday and Sunday. Like and subscribe now. Enjoy the video.
Batman, you like big booty bitches? Mike, oh yeah, another thing for your...
Name an animal with 3 letters in its name.
Frog.
Brand of gasoline.
Regular.
Something that comes with a summer storm.
Snow.
A sport with an all-star game. I got good news and bad news.
Give me the bad news first.
The bad news is you need 172 points to win the money. The good news is you're the man to do it. I'm going to ask you the same questions I asked the other Bob. You cannot, and you do not want to duplicate his answers. Name an animal with 3 letters in its name.
Alligator.
Is a rock, and this is water. If you pour water on a rock, nothing happens.
Where the fuck is my mouse?
Marty, I'm bored. I'm gonna kill you.
Look at this. Okay. Tell me يا ابن القحبة. أقول لك أبوك همين راح وخر على وجهك.
One kebab, please.
Is nothing. You serve 0 purpose. You should kill yourself now.
You want to hear my duck call?
Yeah.
Come here, duck.
How tall are you?
Yogurt.
We got the visor, and then we got the. What the fuck? What the fuck is sunglasses? What?
Oh, hi. So, how are you holding up? Because I'm a potato.
My ex-girlfriend had a really weird fetish. She used to like to dress up as herself and then act like a fucking bitch all the time.
POV, you want to quit the game.
Does anyone know how to pronounce this road?
Super easy. You just take a deep breath and say it from your chest.
Is that Mr. Nimbus?
Yeah, but let me do it. I have the golden voice.
Stop doing that. Stop pushing me.
Stop, Mark. Stop.
Don't fuck with me, Mark. I have the power of God and anime on my side.
I guess you wonder where I've been.
Cosa? I think I like when it rains.
Hey, young one, that's a nice face covering. You never compliment my helmet.
You wanna see some real speed, bitch? I'll show you some real speed.
Is this helping? Is this helping? Hello, can you see me? This is Morse code for
Let's go.
Wish us luck, boys. We'll need it. I miss him already. He is quite charming, isn't he? Nobody move! Drop me brain.
Oh my god. Is this a cat or a sheep?
A shat.
Don't call it that, please.
A shitting.
Guys, you broke the thing off. I can't believe you broke this. Now it's not gonna close. Here, let me try to close it. That's much better.
Look at those things. Do a trick. Wow. Look at them working together. They're an intelligent species. What is that, a walrus?
Yes, you. Your Jordans are fake.
Here comes the money.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, 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 money. I'm gonna step on the gas.
Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and have a good day.